Welcome to Mazda Connect, our name for the multimedia system in your Mazda. If your Mazda has this screen, then this is the video for you. To set cruise control, first press the Mode On button to activate cruise control and to toggle between it and the speed limiter. Using the set plus and minus buttons, you can use the speed limiter to restrict your Mazda to a specific maximum speed. Once you have selected cruise control, you can accelerate to your desired speed and press the set button to activate the system. You can then speed up or slow down by pressing the plus or minus buttons as required. To cancel cruise control, press cancel or simply start braking. If you wish to activate cruise control again and get back up to your set speed, simply press the button marked Res on your steering wheel to resume. If your Mazda is fitted with radar cruise control, press the distance button on the steering wheel to increase or decrease the amount of space between your vehicle and the one in front. Mazda Radar Cruise Control will maintain the selected distance by speeding up or slowing down. But remember, keep your hands on the steering wheel and remain vigilant at all times whilst driving.